Hey guys, it's Sarah Taylor. I'm doing a couple monochromatic puddle pours. I've just been playing around in the studio and definitely inspired by Dwight pours on this. And I know that he has been playing with this sort of consistency and kind of simplistic composition. So yeah, I already was really kind of involved with doing puddle pour. I thought I would try a little bit of monochromatic work and just see how it turned out. I hope to kind of expand upon this and do another large canvas. I don't know if I can go totally monochromatic on a big canvas or not. I don't know if I can refrain from using some different colors. So I'm just going to keep playing around and experimenting, and it's really fun. I know that a few differences. I didn't actually use any Floetrol, so the base is just a Artist Loft Flow white, and then I used actually an Amsterdam Prussian blue and as the one color, and it was really interesting how it faded out and created so many different tones of color. And that was on both of these pieces. And actually, you know what? The second piece I used, it was not Amsterdam, it was Deco Art. So yeah, I was just kind of experimenting with different colors. And I did add a little bit of that light blue at the bottom corner of this canvas, which actually completely comes off the canvas. So I was just kind of curious what that would do, if it would pull into it at all. So yeah, hope you enjoy. These are just kind of simple little paintings, but I think they're pretty and pretty interesting. I've been kind of, learning new things, and I love going onto a big canvas, and I promise I will again very soon. Yeah, my art shows are both up in town here, so I've got plenty of space and just loving the process. So I hope you enjoy it and really have a beautiful, beautiful day, and take great care. And if it's morning or noon or evening, just please have a great one. And we'll talk to you very soon. Thanks. Hey, I'm back. So you might be noticing it's really interesting. So the first painting created a ton of kind of beautiful like lacing and different, cells were popping up. The white was really affecting the paint. And on this one, it really did not do that. And that's the whole trick with not working with Floetrol. It doesn't produce as much. But when it does produce the effects, I feel like they look really, really different than when you're using Floetrol. So that's what I'm finding really intriguing. And I also love the thin paint, how it moves and how you can get really different, unique type compositions than with a thicker paint. So that's kind of the goal here, is just kind of playing with composition. And that one section of white kind of covering the blue, I did have some really pretty little things happen right there. And overall, I actually thought it was kind of an interesting, very simple little painting. So yeah, I thought I would just pop it on after the other one because they kind of go hand in hand a bit. And yeah, just kind of playing with some different technique, and it's been really fun. So all right, everybody, take great care. Talk to you soon. Bye.